Guys, this is WhitePointy over here, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate you how to buy cakes for free. Yeah, you are right. I have bought cakes for absolute ₹0, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So what we are going to do over here is we are going to go to the Burp Suite and we are going to turn on the Intercept mode, and then on ribbons and balloons just open any product and then hit refresh. Once you hit this refresh, this request has been intercepted in Burp Suite. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to right click it and click on do intercept response to this request, and then I am going to forward this request. And what I have got over here is I'm going to copy this response and open this response in VS Code. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, paste this response, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace all the 700 with 0.
Okay, so
I have replaced all 700 values with 0 except for the font value. And what we are going to do over here is we are going to paste this, and then we are going to head straight for the top over here. And then we are going to forward this request. Once this request forwarded, then we are going to turn off the intercept mode, and you can see this page is over here. Then we are going to click on intercept mode again, and then we are going to click on add to cart. Okay, now we are going to check over here. See, you can see the values are changed. We are going to forward this request. Okay, and we are going to turn off the intercept mode. Okay, so product added to cart. Okay, and we are going to check the cart. You see 000, all the values are 0, and I can buy this for free. Okay, and this is how you can buy cakes for free. You can buy clothes, stuff, and books, everything for free. So stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to WhitePointy, guys.